Hi, we're here at Punggol Emirates to check out our 4-bedroom corner unit. My name is Charlotte from OrangeTee and Thai AAG division. Let's check it out. The Punggol Emirates is a HDB cluster conveniently situated just a 6 minutes walk or just one MRT station away to Punggol MRT, bus interchange and waterway point. This 4-room layout is practical for a young budding family with a kids room, walk-in wardrobe and a master room. The homeowners have thoughtfully maximized the master room space with a built-in bed frame for you to upkeep the clean minimalist look for you to unwind to at the end of the day. Originally a bedroom space, the homeowners have extended it into a walk-in wardrobe with quality carpentry. The kitchen has got a glass sliding door to conceal away from heavy cooking. This house was designed to have efficient storage space, keeping your home neat and tidy. The concealed cove lights also bring out a modern finish to your home. The Punggol Township has full amenities including the Mega Mall Waterway Point, Punggol Safra and easy transport via Punggol MRT station and bus interchange. You can even take an evening jog or cycle along Punggol Waterway that leads out to Coney Island. And if you're feeling adventurous, there are even water sports available like wakeboarding and wake surfing at the Punggol Marina. This unit is in proximity to these schools, and with URA's master plan for Punggol's digital district, the Punggol Township is an up-and-coming estate. Punggol is an up-and-coming neighbourhood with facilities, amenities, nature and convenience. Call me Charlotte for exclusive viewing at 91598541. Get your dream home with the peace of mind.
Call our AAG Real Estate Consultant to find out more. AAG, the #1 top division in OrangeTee and Thai.